That's better. I'm Tina with G2 Marketing and Events, and I'm here to give you some tips and tricks when attending a virtual event. Everybody is in virtual events, virtual meetings, and you want to make sure that you look the best on camera. So some quick tips and tricks would be make sure that you're sitting at the proper angle, that the camera is not angled too high or too low. You want to be looking straight on. You want to be about an arm's length distance from your device so that people can see and hear you properly. You definitely want to take check of your device that you're using, whether it's a phone, an iPad, a laptop, and check what the settings are so that you know how to properly use the camera. You don't want to have your camera on when you don't expect the camera to be on either. So just make sure you're familiar with your device and how the camera settings work, and make sure that you sit properly at a proper angle so that people are looking at you and not everything around you or up above you or below you. And you want to make sure you look your best when on camera.